Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by cleaning and priming the skin with isopropyl alcohol. Use a gentle cleanser first, then dry fully. Apply a green-gray base with a damp 1/2-inch sponge using light dabbing. Work from the center of the face outward for even coverage. Build color in thin layers, letting each layer set for 30 seconds. Seal the base with a thin layer of translucent powder to set color. Keep edges soft by stippling a clean sponge along the hairline and jaw for a blended look. Map hollows using a matte dark purple mixed 25% black for depth. Start under the cheekbones, temples, and beside the nose to create gaunt contours. Blend shadows with a 3/4-inch brush using short, upward strokes around eyes and mouth. Use thin washes to avoid streaking and to maintain skin texture. Highlight raised areas with a pale olive using a small fan brush on forehead and nose bridge. Soften transitions by feathering edges with a clean, slightly damp sponge for realistic decay. Build wounds using gelatin or silicone with 3 mm thickness for realism. Apply adhesive, press the appliance into place, and blend edges with isopropyl swabs. Paint wounds starting with dark red in the base, then add brown and black for charred depth. Add blood accents with a 70% translucent blood gel for credible texture and shine. Paint veins with a thin blue-green mix using a 000 liner brush and drag lightly outward from the temple. Finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.